What's up, Texas Lexus friends? Today we tackle 7 Mile Rim. I hope we get through it one piece. Dude, I dig this guy's style. This dude's got one badass motorhome, and he's about to do 7 Mile Rim in his motorhome. I'm into this, so that's why I chose to follow him. All right, so 7 Mile Rim starts off really easy. It's just a dirt road that's gonna lead us at some point up this mountain. I have not done this trail since a long time ago. My buddy Big Just. It's my first time to ever do a Easter Jeep Safari run, and maybe, besides maybe one time with the Jeep guys, this is the most legit trail ride I've ever done as far as, like, you know, planning and being with people I don't know. So we're gonna make our way up this way through this nice canyon, and sooner or later we got to get up on top of these giant plateaus. Rocket, you afraid of heights, brother? Don't open that door by accident. You guys know I love a good puddle. How there's water in this desert, I have no idea. All right, so I just switched down into 4 low because, you know, we're doing some kind of decent rocks right here on this very skinny little trail. I'm curious how my motorhome buddy here, he's got a big back porch on that thing, a big ledge, and if we hit any real steep inclines, I'm a little concerned on what's gonna happen there, so that'll be fun to watch. You like big rocks? You like cliffs where you'd roll to your death? Well, this is 7 Mile Rim, and according to the Red Rock Four-Wheeling Club, it's only rated a 4. There are trails like Metal Masher that are rated an 8, if that tells you anything. Got some good looking ledges coming up. Okay, there's 2 things you need to know when you're doing ledges of this size, or any size really. And this kind of goes for big rocks in the middle of a dirt road as well. You actually want to put your tires on the highest point of these ledges. So when you see a rock in front of you, you're gonna see what looks like the easy path, which is sort of the lowest point of the rock. But if you take that easy path and there's a high point nearby, there's a good chance you're gonna scrape something underneath your car. And that can be very no bueno on a trail. So find the high points, find a similar one for your front, 2 tires, and go that direction. Okay, this is called brake throttle modulation. You come up an obstacle and you find yourself rolling backwards as you're trying to go forwards. You don't want to gun it and slam yourself into a rock. So you literally put your foot on the brakes as you're easing into the gas, and that keeps your back tires locked up while your front tires climb. These are some wild ledges. Holy shit. Nervous. Whoa, do we have enough mud? This dude's getting stuck. There we go. Wow, this is a crazy trail. So I'm actually running in 4 low. I've got it over in 2 second gear. I find that low is just so slow, and I find I have enough torque in 2. So that's usually where I ride it at. And then when I hit some of those ledges and places where I need a lot of good traction, like probably right here, I pop on the center diff. I have no idea what I'm getting into, but it looks hard. Holy shit. Oh, back tire, back tire. Yeah. Woo! That's spooky. Holy shit, dude, I'm nervous. Invest in good tires. I recommend BFG all-terrain. Never scraped the middle before. That sucks. You know that tow hitch is gonna drop. Ooh, got lucky. All right, let's talk trail etiquette for a second. I just had 4 motorcycles pass me, which I am totally okay with them passing me. I mean, they're small, they're fast, they need to get around. But something to remember is if you are ever with a group, you know, like of razors or 4-wheelers or motorcycles, or honestly, even just Jeeps, when you pass somebody, let them know how many of your homies are with you. 3 of these guys were kind of running the same clip. I pulled out in the trail and I literally almost hit a motorcyclist, which is just fucking sad when you're this far off the beaten path, right? We can communicate. We're all here to do the same thing. So when you drive by somebody, tell them, I got 4 or I have 2, just so people know how many people are there and you can stay safe on the trails. Because we are a long way from a hospital and the fastest way to get there would be a helicopter, and you don't always have cell phone service.